Well, I am Dr. Olatunji Nasir, currently the chairman of the Medicine Stewardship Working Group of the World Veterinary Association and the president-elect of the World Veterinary Association. Yeah, my perspective on antimicrobial stewardship into student education is well known. I'm of the opinion that we have curricular deficiency at the moment, because I would say the current graduates are not well schooled in what will project them to be the stewards of antimicrobial resistance in the near future. But I'm happy at the contribution of World Organization for Animal Health uh, that is propelling to have veterinary education practically being redesigned to make sure that students of veterinary medicine are brought into the knowledge of antimicrobial stewardship practices. For example, in the last 2 days that I've been here in Nairobi, I've seen the convergence of ideas from veterinary institution as to why the students must be brought in focus. And I completely agree with that we have to tweak the curriculum and we have to make sure that what is being taught in school is actually translated to the practice outside. The town and the gown must meet to make sure that we, enhance the capabilities of our students by their day one competence to be able to administer, the antimicrobial stewardship, even right from the day they graduate. So I'm of the opinion that that is being done right now, and I really want to commend WOAH for that. And I will say that at the WBA, we are also in sync with that aspiration of WOAH, and I think we're doing so good about that. So it's important, and I'm particularly impressed by the fact that it's going to enhance our output in terms of food safety and food security and increase the GDP of countries, especially the low and medium income countries. Because if we do a very good stewardship, it will capitulate into making sure that the GDP of our countries are increased and then the health of our people are also protected. Thank you very much.